Meaning of ground sheet.
Ground sheet.
Ground sheet.
Ground sheet.
Ground sheet. A ground sheet is a protective layer that is placed on the ground to protect the surface from damage and to provide insulation and comfort. These sheets are commonly used by campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts to place under their tent or sleeping bag. Ground sheets can be made of various materials such as nylon, polyester, or PVC and come in different sizes to fit different tents. They are also available in different thicknesses and weights, and some even have built-in insulation to provide extra warmth during cold weather camping. Overall, a ground sheet is an essential accessory for anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors.